How's it going, everybody? Bryce Green here with Big Kid Blocks, and I want to introduce to you Body Shop and Collision Tech's the Body Shop Special Kit. So this one was specifically designed for you guys in collision shops, just to the fact that you're not going to be doing long blocking or anything like that. You know, so the longest block that we have here is the 11-inch straight shooter. This is awesome if you're on a quarter panel or something that's a big flat panel that you're just trying to do a spot repair on. This will work great to help you make sure that you've planed it out correctly and got that same, you know, that flat surface all the way through it. So this comes with the 11-inch straight shooter along with the 11-inch featherweight. Now this is going to be for any of your curved areas that you're working on a vehicle. This has got some good flex to it, you know, so if you're on anything that's got a really round panel, you're going to want to jump over to this guy and use this one because it's going to help get the job done. And then we move down to the 8-inch moneymaker. This one's awesome. You know, it's very easy to hold. It's very lightweight. So if you're doing anything underneath or anything like that, go ahead and use this block. And then we've thrown in two of these 5.5-inch blocks, the 5.5-inch straight shooter, as well as the 5.5-inch rod block. These are also just really good to help get some of those small areas that you're working on, getting, you know, body filler, primer work, anything like that. So all these blocks in the Body Shop Special Kit, these were designed for you collision techs. So head over to bkblocks.com, get your Body Shop Special Kit, and get to work.